Hi and welcome over to the Good Web Business. I'm GC, and in this video I will show you how to find the free website creating tool. What I'll do is put your link in the description so you can come across to my website, and if you scroll down you'll find free website creating tool. You click on that will then take you through to my hosting business, and if you look down you'll see view demo. Click there, and then this will take you into the Good Web Business hosting control panel, and there's lots of things we can actually do in here, but today what we're going to do is going to hover the cursor over web tools, click Sitebuilder, and from Sitebuilder click Sitebuilder demo, and then that will log you in to where all the different templates are. So if you click load more, you can scroll down, and like I say, I've got a large selection of templates that you can use. So let's pick one. So you can pick any of these and then change them to exactly how you want your website. So let's say, for example, we click on this one here. This will then upload the template for you to actually change. You'll also see you'll get a welcome guide so you can start the tour. You'll just come out of that, and also what you'll find is a selection of videos that will tell you exactly how to do particular things that you might want to do on your website. We'll just come out of that, and then as you can see down this side you can add content, and you can click on all these and you can add things to your website. There's a design button, you can change fonts, more settings, menu design, website design, also create a logo. If you want to change the colors on your template, you can just click on it and then it will automatically change the actual colors. Save changes, and then we can go into settings, and in here, as you can see, you can change the logo and the website title, subpage settings, SEO and meta tags, so we can change all that within the template. General settings, contact information, social media, and SEO and meta tags. Again, you can add pages, so if you want to add a page, you just click here, and what I'll do further videos and show you exactly how to do all the things within the creating tool. You can click on apps, and as you can see we can add Google, this map, shops, we can add shops, question and answer, newsletters. Like I say, there's a lot that you can actually do within this creating tool. You can go to files. We've got free stock photos, so you can add them. You can upload your own photos. There's a help section as well. There's lots of things that you can actually do within the Good Web Hosting package. And as I say, I'm repeating myself, but what I'll do is I will do all the videos and show you exactly how to edit these pages. Anyway, thank you for looking, and I'll see you on the next video.